These are the Green Snake linear switches that our friends from Zion Studios sent me for review, along with this awesome desk mat and their very own proprietary lubes. And I must say, these are really good switches. They told me that these are similar modes from the alpacas. It uses a 65-gram extended spring, and they feel really good. The sound profile is on the deeper spectrum, so if you want a talky deeper build, this might be a good option. Um, and that's perfect because most of my switches right now are more on the clacky side, and right now I have at least a very good option for thocky, deeper, muted sound profile. And but what struck me most after 24 hours of using these switches is how smooth they are. They're really smooth, probably one of the smoothest I've tried. Of course, these are lube with their lubes, switch lube, and the springs, if I'm not mistaken, with the Crytox 205. Again, from Zion Studios. They're good. They're really good. They're really good. Um, I love the sound. I love the typing feel. So if I want something thocky, I'd go to this, and then if I want the clacky, I have several options out in my stash. But for now, I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying the smoothness and the sound profile of these switches. Uh, I will be doing a full review on these switches soon, but for now, that's my initial thought. I really love him. So I think these switches should be getting more attention. It's been a long time since I've tried a talky, deeper sound profile switch that really impressed me. And I love it. I love it. Really glad they sent out these switches for testing. So again, like and subscribe, guys. Keep this channel growing. Thank you for the awesome support. We are at around 750 subscribers. We hope to reach 1,000 by the end of the first half of the year. Thank you very much. Again, this is Talkie Docky.